we'll guide you through how to allow Java through the Windows Firewall. If you guys find this video to be helpful, consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon, and liking the video. Let's get on with it. If you have a Minecraft server which your friends can't join, it's probably because your Java and Minecraft aren't allowed through the firewall. You can run into many different server issues, and that's why I have to say a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to create a Minecraft server, look no further than Apex Hosting. They provide lag-free customizable servers which are ready in just a few minutes. You can host your own adventures with ease. They offer a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backup. Please be sure to check them out. The link will be in the description of the video, and we'll also make a comment and pin it, and you can check them out. Now here's how you allow Java through the firewall. Come over here to the search bar and write Windows Firewall. There we go, Windows Defender Firewall. And go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Once you're here, you need to be looking out for a couple of things. Anything that says Java next to it, you need to look out for, like this. Java, Java W, and you might also have some more down there. What you need to do is you need to make sure that both the private and the public section are ticked, as well as the ticks on the left hand side under the name section. So we see that the public is mostly ticked, but we also need to tick the private section over here. So what you do is you click change settings and you place a tick next to every file which says Java. You should also do this for every file that says Minecraft, but in my case I don't have any file saying Minecraft over here, so I can't change anything really. And you should also tick everything that says OpenJDK platform binary next to it. Once you've ticked them, both private and public, you can just go ahead and press OK. The next thing you should also probably do is go to advanced settings, and once that opens you should go to inbound rules. Over here we're looking for exactly the three same things: Java, OpenJDK platform binary, and Minecraft. Over here, as you can see, we have Java and Java W, and they have a tick next to it. That means we're good to go. If any of these do not have a tick next to it, all you need to do is click on it and press on enable rule. You should also go ahead and place a tick next to OpenJDK platform binary and Minecraft if you have it here. If you don't, that's fine. However, if you don't have Java over here, we will have to add it manually, and we should do that by clicking on new rule, program, that's fine, click next, and then you need to give it a path. You need to find the Java on your computer. You need to click on your local disk C, go to program files, and search for Java here. Once you found it, open up the folder, click on JRE, go to bin, and add this java.exe. Once you've added it, click on next, allow the connection, click on next, make sure all three of these are ticked, next. Go ahead and give it a name like java.exe, manually add it, and press on finish. You also have to do this one more time, locate the java.w.exe, and repeat the process for this one as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful. For more guides, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks very much for watching. Peace.